This video I will show you how you can upload and verify your degree from EPIC or ECFMG for GMC, IMC or other countries and council registration purpose. So for that, first of all, you need to create an account on EPIC, and in previous video I have given the link how to create an account. And once your account has been created and your EIA form has been accepted by EPIC, after that you are able to upload and verify your degree from EPIC. So my EIA form has been accepted by the EPIC. Now after that you have to go to the Google and write down EPIC, and website of the EPIC will be shown. Click on that and then click on physician portal login and write down your login details. Like first of all you have to write down your username, and then you have to write down your password like you can see. And the next question will be like your security question. So after putting all these three things, you will be logged into your EPIC account. So here you can see I have logged into my EPIC account, and I will first go to my identity documents, and here I will reassure that my EIA form has been accepted. You can see the status accepted. So for degree you have to click on my credentials, and after that click on that blue link, upload credentials. So here you can upload your documents. So for degree I will select the option of here final medical diploma, and now you have selected the option, and now you will choose the file here in any form of document, like in PDF, in image, and in any other document type. After that you will select and click on upload, and here you can see that my degree has been uploaded here. Most of the time degree is just one paper, but here you can see my 3 and 4 pages. That is because my degree is in Chinese language, and here is the important thing for China and Russia graduates, that you have to first translate your degree from sticker translation, and then you have to upload with your original university degree and sticker translation document together. And now you have to put your institution name and address, all these. You can see I have already added this when I make my EPIC account, so it will be automatically added here. So you will check it and select yes if all the information is correct. And now you have to put the remaining details. Like you can see, first of all your student identification or roll number, and then your attendance start date, and then the end date, and after that your degree, medical degree date. And next thing is your title of degree, like MBBS, and then after that the name on your degree document. And after that you will select the option of mailing option, the first one, use regular mail. If you select the quick courier service, then you have to pay an extra charges. So make sure that you have selected the first option, use regular mail. And the next portion is to which country you want this degree report to be sent once it's verified. Like your degree document has been verified, so if you want to send to any council or country, you have to select that council or country here. And if you don't want it, then you can also skip that option. Later on, once your degree has been verified, then you also have the option to refer it or send this report to the council or other country. So I will select here like the country Ireland, and then write down the name of entity, medical council, and then click on search bar. After that automatically the council name will be shown, and you can select that. So here after that you can see once again they have given the option that after verification, should you want to send your degree verified document to Ireland Medical Council, select yes. And now here you can see the payment of $100 has been shown. So for one document you have to pay $100 here. So after that, click on payment option and you have to pay through your debit or MasterCard, whatever you're using, and put all the details of your MasterCard, like your expiration date and all these things. You can see the address and other things, and then click on I authorize this transaction, and your transaction will be done. And you can see that you will be given a specific number for your degree verification process. So this is all about how you can upload and verify your degree from Epic. Thanks.